Hey friends, if Mozilla Firefox is not opening in Windows 11, then unfortunately you don't have a lot of options. But I'll tell you what all you can do. So first of all, restart your computer. Right click on the start button, shut down and sign out and restart your computer. In 40% of the cases, this will help. If it doesn't, then straight away perform a malware scan. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. Wait for a few seconds. This will open the malware removal tool. Okay. Click on next, select full scan, click on next, and it will start scanning. The last solution is to reinstall Firefox. Search for Firefox in the Windows search bar, and in the right pane, click on the downward pointing arrow. You'll select uninstall. Now go to Firefox, click on the three dots here, and then, click on the three dots here and select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Okay, click on yes, and let it uninstall completely. Don't say refresh, just click on this one, uninstall. Okay. Once it is uninstalled, open the Microsoft Store either from the system tray or search for it and open it. And then search for Firefox. Go to Firefox and click on install. This will fix the problem for sure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.